Stop by and take a look at the 2017 Hyundai Tucson. Boasting low noise and vibration levels and a smooth ride, the Tucson combines the rugged utility of an SUV with the maneuverability and refinement of a car. With its spacious interior, small never felt so big. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, power passenger seat, traction control, stability control, navigation system, steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, all-wheel drive, remote engine start, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, keyless start, auto-dimming rear view mirror. Come see the car for yourself.